Yeah, Mr. Wingett, my name is Dominic Petruzzelli, and I happened to look on YouTube and I saw that Model A pickup truck that you were looking to sell. I just wanted to ask you a couple of questions. I would appreciate it if you'd possibly give me a call back at area code 917.
This guy's last ride in the Model A. I sold it to a gentleman in New York. It gets shipped out in a couple of days. So we're done here at this storage unit. I'm going to take it home and clean it up a bit, make sure it has all the stuff it needs to go with it, and say our final farewells. It's kind of sad, but Byron Lee is going to a really nice home. A gentleman who is retired fire department, New York mechanic. Byron Lee is running great. Well, we'll take her for a couple of short drives before saying goodbye forever. It's been a good ride and a lot of fun. No complaints with that. And I think Dad would be proud and happy where it's going for its new home. Retired fire department mechanic. He was there when 9/11 happened. Staten Island Fire Department, FD New York. He had to clean the trucks off of all the dust, keep them running during that disaster. A lot of firefighters got sick. 75 of them died from that station. I think it's going to a deserving new home in New York. Ready, Sky? All right, let's get going. Now I've got out of the traffic, I feel a little safer to record some video. It's approaching that time of day where people are coming home from work, and it's really not a good time to be driving distracted, and no time's a good time. But it's a beautiful day, and it's worthy of documenting a little bit of this ride. Lots of fields of blooming daisies. Something here. They've tilled it several times to get all the weeds out. Dusty. us right into our community. Okay, leaving in third gear as long as I'm going 5, at least 5, 10, 15 is better. Engine just chugs on down the road. Very hardy engine. It's around the corner. Couple blocks, we'll be home. It's poppy season. And here we are. Brown privacy fence. Put it in first gear now. Alrighty. Nice. Back home for now. Byron Lee drove perfectly fine. It's quite warm today. 80 degrees. And yesterday it barely got in the 50s. What a change. Yeah. Hey, Sky. That was fun. Well, what are we gonna do when Byron Lee's not around anymore? We'll be going for rides in the Nissan pickup. It's a little cluttered right now, but this is the garage where Byron Lee, my Model A, used to be parked right here. No more. This is living space. We love this room. And there's Byron Lee right now. Well, I still have my 1997 Nissan pickup. That's a great truck. And it needs a little bit of help. So we'll fix that up with the money we got from Byron Lee. Tomorrow I'll put some time into washing and cleaning up my Model A. I want it to be in good shape, the best it can be, as it makes this 3,000-mile trip across the country. We thought about going along, maybe even driving it ourselves. Not the Model A, but any transport vehicle. But we're not professionals, and that would be too much of a risk and a huge expense. So we are leaving it up to the buyer to take care of that transport. Going to miss you, Byron Lee, but we have lots of really great memories and videos to watch and remember.